Are you curious to find out how you can make money with your existing underwater footage? Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Hi there guys, and welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School. My name is Matthias. Thank you very much for tuning in again. There is no denying that the coronavirus has the entire world in its grip, and the situation for many people has changed in the past couple of weeks. Since many of us have a lot of free time at the moment, simply because we can't really go anywhere and there's not much we can do outside of our own homes, I want to talk to you about how you can use that extra spare time at the moment and monetize some of your underwater shots that you've collected in the past. Now, all you need to do that is the hard drives where you keep all your old underwater footage, a computer to edit and color grade that footage, and to be able to upload it to the specific places where they need to be. Most of you have probably heard of stock footage agencies or stock footage sites, basically websites, marketplaces where you can upload your underwater clips, and they will actually take care of the whole sales process for you. They will market the clips, they will put it out into the market, and they will handle all the financial issues, all the financial things that come along with such a transaction. Now, there is a lot of different stock footage agencies or sites out there on the market. I've personally decided to work with a website called blackbox.global. Now, there's two reasons I chose Blackbox as my stock footage site for uploading my own content. First of all, it's because Blackbox is not just one site that uploads your footage onto their own website, but they collaborate or they work together with 4 other major stock footage agencies, and that would be Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5 and Vimeo Stock. So what happens once you upload your clips onto the Blackbox platform is, once it's gotten approved from them, they will then distribute it to all the other 4 platforms, thus making your clips widely available on all these platforms. And it's obviously a positive thing, because if someone looks for a specific clip, for example, a scuba diver jumping off the back of the boat into the water, it doesn't matter on which of these sites that person will look for that clip. It's quite likely, if you've done your metadating correctly, that your clip will show up and you will have a chance to actually make a sale and earn a licensing fee for your clip. So with only uploading onto one website, you will get a much larger reach with your clips, and therefore a bigger chance of actually creating some sales and making some money from those clips. The second reason why I like Blackbox in particular is because you can actually collaborate with other creators on the platform. So if, let's say, you're an underwater cameraman, you enjoy actually filming underwater, but you're not much into the whole editing, color grading process, and you don't really know how to meta tag your clips so they get found properly, it's not a problem. You can, once you've shot your clips, you can then assign someone to curate your clips. So that person will then edit your clips, will color grade them, will upload them onto the website, and then the same person or someone else can then do the meta tagging for you as well, making everything ready so you can actually publish the clips and start earning money with them. The way this works is that you're not paying that person in advance, but you assign a percentage of the net revenue to that person. So let's say you're the one who creates the shot, who takes the shot, and then you've got a person who is doing the curating, the editing, the color grading, and you've got a separate person actually doing the meta tagging and the titling and all that sort of stuff. So in that case, you can assign to both of these individuals 20% each of the net revenue that you make from any sale that that clip makes. So you still keep 60%, you give 20 and 20, so 40% away to these people collaborating with you, and you only have to pay them once you actually make a sale. So you're not putting any money up front, and they're more motivated to actually do the work properly, because if they do it properly, the chances of that clip selling will be much higher. So it's a win-win situation for everyone, really. Now, I don't want to mislead you in believing that you can make a lot of money by submitting underwater shots to a stock agency or stock footage agency, but there is a potential of making a little bit of a side income. There's not a lot of people that can actually live just from making stock footage, and particularly if you're only delivering to the niche of scuba diving, it is even harder to be able to make a decent amount of money from it. Now, if you're curious, if you want to see how the Black Box Global community works and how you can actually make some money with the footage that is on your hard drives at the moment, I've put the link down into the video description, so please feel free to check it out. You can register, you can create your own account there for free. It doesn't cost anything. And then you can start uploading a few clips, start playing around with the titling, description, the tagging, and just get familiar with the site if that's something that you're interested in, or if you've just got some spare time like myself at the moment. And who knows, maybe you'll get more out of it than what you think is possible right now. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. I hope you got something out of it. And if that's the case, please do hit that like button, you know it means a lot to me, and also consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't yet, so you're not missing out on any future content regarding underwater filmmaking that will be posted here on this channel. And if you have any other questions regarding today's topic, please feel free to put them down in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to get back to those questions as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.